Hey, it's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and today we're going to be talking about the Dashpaq Plus Premium Performance Programmer and on-dash digital monitor. How many times has this happened to you? You're cruising down the road with your fine honey on your way to the sock hop. All of a sudden, she doesn't like the performance of your vehicle. I know! Happened to me twice last week. She hops out of a moving car. You've got to tell your side of the story to the police. You don't want to do that. That's why you can pick this bad boy up, man. This is the Cadillac of performers, okay? First of all, it's got a 5-inch high-definition touchscreen, okay? So you can easily take a look at what do we got here? Your IATs, your ECTs. I don't even know what they are, but they do, and you do too. And you can customize this to check out whatever you want. In addition to that, like I said, that high-definition screen, you're gonna be able to see this thing from outer space. It comes preloaded with tunes for performance, towing, economy, and so much more. So it doesn't matter what your vehicle, what your truck, what your Jeep is doing, boom, this is going to take care of all of it, and it's going to keep you on top of it. Now, I know what you're thinking to yourself. Sure, Kyle, okay, it comes preloaded with some sweet tunes, but what about if I want to make some tunes myself? What about if I want to download some tunes from some expert on the internet? What do I got to do then? Do I got to go find a witch doctor and try to perform some voodoo to get that on this? No, you don't. And stop messing with witchcraft. I've done told you once. You can download this with either link cables or, and this is cool, a little bit of Wi-Fi action, because this is the 21st century. Also, it's compatible with the DiabloSport CMR software for loading those custom tunes. And we're talking about calibration, whatever you want, my friends. Tires, gears, virtual drag strip. You want to see how fast your car can go from 0 to 60, huh? In a quarter of a mile, maybe half a mile, whatever. You can figure it out with this guy right here. This is really going to show you what's going on inside of that vehicle of yours, okay? Plus, you've got active fuel management. Boom, you can turn that off, okay? Now look, I love the government as much as the next guy, okay? But I don't need Uncle Sam telling me how to get down in my own vehicle, okay? Turn that active fuel management off. Turn that multi-displacement system on that Dodge Ram off. Disable them, baby. Don't let nobody tell you how much power God gave you in your own truck. Boom. This is going to take care of it right here. Also, you can read and clear your diagnostic trouble codes. How many times has that happened? You're driving down the road, boom, that check engine light comes on. What's going on? What's happening, huh? You figure it out with this guy right here. Now, here's what's so cool. You can add additional vehicle licenses to tune multiple vehicles using internet update software. What am I talking about? Let's say you have a Jeep. Let's say you have a truck. Let's say you don't want to buy two of these bad boys to figure out what's going on with both of them. Boom. You get the license, you can switch this back and forth. Now that I've done been teasing you, I've done been edging you the whole time, what do you say we get to the main event and unbox this bad boy? First of all, you're taking a look at this. This right here, boom, is some sweet packaging. You can usually tell the quality of both the company and the product by the packaging. This ain't some black and white cardboard cutout with some Chinese lettering on it. This is some full color glossy goodness right here. Let's remove that, and we're just gonna go ahead, and there it is. We're gonna open it up and take a look inside. Boom, look at that. You know what I was saying about that full color glossy goodness? Look at this, my gosh. Superchips, you open it up, look at all of this cool stuff inside. First of all, it's saying, yo, if there's a problem, contact Superchips, man. They're gonna take care of you. And look at these stickers here, man. I really wish that you could feel these stickers. This ain't the kind of stickers that you'd get for a quarter at Pizza Hut when you'd put your favorite Mortal Kombat character on your Sega Genesis. We all did. okay? No, man, this is raised up. This is nice. This is very nice. This probably should make you way happier than any sticker should. And then boom, you can take a look at some of the cool other accessories in this fine, full color, glossy bag. Also, and this is what I love, the quick install guide. They're not just gonna be sending you out there in the middle of the ocean with a knife and telling you to hunt and kill octopuses or octopi. I always get that wrong. No, they're gonna tell you exactly how to install this bad boy with pictures and diagrams. Holy cow. And if you still need some help, bro, look at this. Boom, they got everything that you need. That is so darn useful. Now, let's take a look at the inside of the actual product. Some nice foam, and then boom, look at that, lightweight yet durable. Like I said, that big, beautiful touch screen. Having a touch screen that you're not having to fumble around with the buttons and trying to figure that stuff out, it's gonna help you out tremendously when you're in a jam, maybe you're stressed out, maybe you wanna just pay attention to the performance of your vehicle and not the performance of the Dashpaq. Now, we're taking a look inside of here. We got some zip ties. I'm assuming that these are gonna be for, if somebody tries to steal your Dashpaq Plus, you can use these, tackle them down, make a citizen's arrest, and go ahead and use these as a makeshift pair of handcuffs. Also, there's that link cable that I was talking about right there. Actually, I take that back. We have a couple different cables here. This is, I'm assuming, going to connect to the vehicle. Dan, is that what that does? Okay, our director is earning his money today, ladies and gentlemen. And also, this is going to sync it up. Let's say that maybe you don't want to deal with Wi-Fi. Maybe you have a desktop at home because you live in the year 2002. You can also, boom, download, upload with all of this stuff right here. What else? What's going on? Oh, yes, there's more in the box. Of course there's more in the box. Dan, yes, take a look here. Boom, let's see. Oh, snap. Look at that, look at that. They didn't leave you out high and dry, man. You can stick this sucker on your dashboard, on your window. You can prop it up, take a look at that. Ah, yeah, there we go, 0 to 60 in 2 minutes. I drive a piece of crap. That's gonna be it. I'm not gonna put this back in the box. Maybe you can if you wanna come here and do it. The Dashpaq Plus, man, this is the Cadillac. This is the premium. You wanna make sure that you are unlocking every single inch of the power that God gave you in your truck or your Jeep. You're gonna be doing it with this bad boy right here. You can pick that up at MidwestAftermarket.com, or as always, if you have any questions, pick up the phone and give us a call. My name is Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and we'll see you next time. I'm not cleaning this up. I'm not doing it.